we are on store 5 because I hit a Dollar Tree in between. I have not been to this store probably, I don't know, maybe a month. And they've actually been cleaning it up. So when I came around the corner, I was kind of like, oh no, because the end cap that usually has a ton of books and stuff on it, it's all been cleared off. And I'm like, oh crap, you know. But still check because you never know. But I was going through some of them, and I'm gonna go through some more as I'm talking to you. But I found, what did I find? Which one? Where was it? Oh, there it is. Our Colors of the World coloring books. These actually did not go last week with all the other ones. These went before that when the Crayola, like, boxed art sets went. And thanks to the paid members for finding them. I forgot about Humpty Dumpty. I was talking about the other ones, but I forgot about Humpty Dumpty. So there's also a Humpty Dumpty. These stand out because they're hard cover. They're big. They have a $5 sticker on them. Oh, yeah. I forgot this was one of the stores. Make sure you pay attention to what they're storing things in. There's one of our red dot flex bins. Score. Wahoo. Even if this is the only thing I find in this store, I'm excited. One of the pop shelf pillows, somebody took the tag off of it. But most of the pillows and blankets, you can find a barcode sewed into a seam somewhere. I love it. Ho, ho, ho. Okay, a couple more of my favorites. So I've already been here and I got these, I don't know, the day we found out they pennied, or maybe the next day. But it seems I may have missed some. And the teachers love these. How exciting. You get in there. I came over here for the books. We'll see if somebody's already been through them. And more oldies. I mean, these aren't super old. What, a couple weeks? 3 weeks? I don't know. I just found some, at the first store today. And again, I can't stress enough. I mean, this is, oh, I think I scanned the wrong thing. Once they're a penny and they stay a penny, you could maybe find them anywhere. So some of our Z-Quill was sitting there in the clearance section. I need to double check that one. I thought I scanned it. Found something from Christmas in with the coloring books. More reward stickers in with the coloring books. Yes, all of these are pennies. And all of these pennied at least, I mean, at the earliest a week ago. I'll probably combine this with another video where I found all of those. These are old. Oh, how exciting. Okay. I don't know. You want to see the zeros? I'll show you the zeros. I just don't like to take up video time with scanning, you know. But let me double check the Priless sec. It is. Okay. Awesome. No, that's not the store I'm at. So don't worry about it. Okay, I think I have one more aisle to check. And then we are outie. Okay, so I don't come to the store very much anymore because they don't usually have very much. And I always seem to run into penny shoppers, right? So, down at the end of the aisle, hanging on a clip stripper. And this balloon's freaking adorable, by the way. Okay. So then, up top, I noticed a box. I saw like silver polka dots, right? And as far as I know right now, the only ones they actually have that are full price are gold polka dots, yeah. So I pulled the box down. Oh my gosh. Jackpot. We have Star Wars big plates. Star Wars little plates. Star Wars napkins. Now I gotta check these. This is the line that went with the pinatas, right? I've been getting, okay, plain white. Look at all the black and gold plates. Oh, there's another Star Wars. Oh, I'm so excited. Come on. So, I don't know. Maybe people aren't coming here right now, or and maybe the manager's changed, because I'm just really surprised to find this stuff. Okay, I gotta scan those and decide. See, there's more boxes of party. No. Totally random. Do you see that? Hansel and Gretel, Stephen King. I'm not sure if I would want a kid to read that book. Anybody? Have you read Stephen King's version of Hansel and Gretel? Can you get off me? I tell you what, these, I almost get strangled in stores that have these. Like, this is a safety issue. Okay, they pulled one more box down, but I didn't pull any more. That one is also a penny. Like I said, it went with that summer line, 2021. So be looking for anything with like that leaf on it, the flower. I think there were napkins. Anyways, the other box I got down had more of our doggy balloons and more of the balloon bouquets. And if you haven't caught it in the past, when it comes to balloons, vases, get in contact with your local florist, because I have started bartering with the florist. They have candles I really like. They can't get balloons and vases as cheap as I do, so we trade. Just an idea. Bad news. They're doing a full reset over there on the party section. Drive lines here. Luckily, the lady likes me, or at least she pretends to. So hopefully, maybe I can get my eyes on some stuff over there. But this is a totally random section that this store has with the journals. Like, I don't know, they just put random clearance here. So I knew, like, I had checked these when our stuff went last time, and they hadn't gone yet. But now they have. And I see paint. And when you find a section like this, check it. You know, check the different things. You never know what might have surprised Penny, and it just didn't show up in the app. So here's some of our learning books. I'm gonna go through all these and see what ones we can. Yeah, okay. Feeling good. Feeling good. What else we got in here? I need to check some stickers. I don't feel like. I think those already pennied. More of our chalkboard paint. Okie dokie. So, yeah, Driveline has the whole aisle, like where school supplies and party is, like, completely. Luckily, my end cap was still there. Bam. Thank you, paid members, for reminding me 3 times about these. Oopsie. And then same end cap. Found more of the blue gel pens, right? Retractable gel pens. All right. I'm so excited about all these books. I hadn't found many yet. These finally went. Who all remembers these? They are 2022s. Addition and subtraction, numbers and early math, more of our early learning, which is what Mini is too. And then the Nemo, I had not gotten math skills yet. And more of this type, alphabet and printing, reading readiness. And I bet, I check with my aunt first, because she's a preschool teacher. And then after that, I talk to the school teachers, but also Operation Shoebox. So that's going to be some great stuff.
Last chance to be entered into the February drawing. Are you still finding different activity books? I mean, some of these are 3 and 4 weeks old, but we're still finding them.